Bills. Learn how to record and manage bills from your vendors in Zoho Books. This tutorial explains how to enter vendor bills, track due dates, categorize expenses, and maintain accurate accounts payable. Proper bill management ensures timely payments, keeps your financial records organized, and improves cash flow control. You can enter bills in two methods. First one, direct bills. Second method is convert from a purchase orders. We will create a bill in Zoho Books. First, select purchases module. Next, select bills. By clicking this new button or by clicking this plus mark, you can create a new bill. You can select the vendor, enter the bill number. You cannot automate this bill number. It's a external reference. It's from the vendor's bill number. Therefore, you need to enter manually. If you have sent any purchase orders for this bill, you can enter the purchase order number here. Select the bill date. If your vendor giving credit period, you can select the credit period. Then due date will automatically calculate. In Zoho Books, you can maintain different accounts payable accounts. So you can create, if you want to maintain, you can create different accounts and you can select the relevant account payable account. You can enter subject for this bill and you can select warehouse location, whether it's tax exclusive or inclusive, and you can select the discount type. You can select transaction level, line item level, or at line item level and at transaction level both. Next, from item table, you can select the item. System will display the relevant inventory asset account. You can enter the quantity and purchase rate you can enter. If taxes available, you can select the tax rate, and if you are purchase this item for particular customer, you can select the customer. System will display the total amount, and under this description, if you want, you can add description for this item. Like this, and by clicking this bulk actions, you can show additional fields, and if reporting tags available, you can add reporting tags. And if you want to add more lines, by clicking this add new row, you can add more lines. You can add notes to this bill. After that, you can save your bill. You can save as a draft, then it will add that bill will be in the draft mode. There's no any accounting entries. Or you can save as open, then it will process, and then accounts payable will update and your inventory also update. After that, if you want, you can attach files here. Next, we will save this, save as open. Now you can see your bill here. Like that, you can enter bills. In next video, we will discuss how to enter bills by converting a purchase order.